when you put a log on the sawmill, this back here is going to be flared out a little bit. Of course, you know that. One thing that I always do, and this is after running a couple blades, I won't saw through anything like this. The least little bit of thing, if that tooth catches it, just one of these fibers, if it catches one of those fibers, a lot of times it won't cut it, but it'll pull it in there. And when it pulls it in there, it's going to bend that tooth. Not only bend that one, but probably 2 or 3 in a row. So right now in the field, I try to do it that way anyway. Not in the field, I'm right here by my house this time, but sometimes I'm a mile away through the woods here. I'll go ahead and I'll square this off. Now, I might not get it perfect, but I'm going to get it squared off so when that saw blade, the mill goes through it, it's not going to catch any fibers or anything. Both ends, I do it on both ends the same way. So that's how I try to put them on there. That right there is just that's nothing more than a piece of wood that you're going to throw away anyway, waiting to bend a $20 blade or a $40 blade. Better for firewood.